देर आए दुरुस्त आए, though it is very late, but nevertheless a welcome move. We believe that left to the officers, administration and all that, they have been enjoying powers in Islam in absence of an elected assembly, elected government. So bureaucracy never wanted to hold elections here, in our view. But now there was no option other than going to the people and getting their involvement in the process of peace and normalcy. That is how the government of India has got convinced that election is the only option left now. So election commission has announced the dates now. Now whatever vacillations here, there and all that, whatever uncertainties were there about the electoral process, I hope that those are over now. Regarding the question of participation, I hope people will participate in a big way, as there is no other option for them as well, for the people. They are very much tired of the bureaucratic rule. They are not only tired, they were having a miserable life. No door was open for the common man, whether he is a common man working in the field, or a student, or a woman, or whosoever. They were having no option and no door open for redressal of genuine immediate grievances. Now certain element of opening will be there available now through these elections. That's why it will generate hope now among the people in Jammu, in Kashmir, and we hope the better participation will make the government, make those in authority more accountable.
So what would be the agenda of CPIM for the upcoming elections?
You see the question, first of all, our agenda will be restoration of full democracy. Electoral exercise itself is a part of the democracy.
Right.
But under union territory, it remains yet a full-fledged democracy. For that, restoration of statehood, a historic state once, Dogra state, Jammu people were celebrating it, Kashmir was celebrating it. Now for the first time, not only special status has been removed, that's very unfortunate. We'll go on voicing our concern about that. But immediate concern for all of us, Jammu and Kashmir, is the restoration of life with dignity, restoration of the rights which have been snatched from us, whether on the question of land or the job opportunities, and finally that a little of freedom which is available in the Constitution of India for a reporter, for a journalist, for a writer, for a student, for a shopkeeper, for a business person. Those rights have to be restored, and election for assembly provide us that opportunity.
So one last